Once upon a time, there was a little kid hunter.
Hi everyone and welcome to Little Hunter's World. On today's episode, Hunter finds a treasure map while playing at the beach.
I found a map! The treasure map! X marks the spot.
Hunter then sets off on a treasure hunt adventure with the help of some of his friends. And of course makes some new friends along the way. Will Hunter find the treasure before the pirates do? Stay tuned and find out.
He went right over there.
Where's the beach?
Here.
Can you do the crazy pirate dance? How's it go? Put your hands in the air, jump up and down, hop, 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 jump up and down, hop, 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 spin around, shake it, shake it, shake it. Oh, he fell down. Oh no. Are you making a castle? That is cool. You got your dump truck and your excavator, and your monster trucks. They look like they're taking a nap. They flipped over upside down. Cool. Do you like the beach?
I still need to...
Hey buddy, what's that over there?
Hey, look! Wow, that's cool! I found a map! The treasure map! The pirate map! X marks the spot.
Hey Hunter, here comes your monster trucks. Let's ask them if they'll help us find the treasure. Arr, Hunter, I heard you found a treasure map.
Hey guys! I found a map! The pirate map! The treasure map! Hey guys, you wanna go on an adventure?
Yeah, that's a great idea. Hey guys, do you want to help us find the treasure? Arr, that sounds like a great idea. Come on, Hunter, let's go. Okay, Hunter, the map says it's 20 paces this way.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hi, Mr. Seal. You know the treasure is?
I don't know where the treasure's at. You should ask Mr. Turtle.
Thank you. Hi, Mr. Turtle. You know the treasure is?
Sorry, dude. I don't know where the treasure's at. You should ask Mr. Bird.
Thank you.
Let's go find the treasure.
Yeah, go. Hi, Mr. Bird. You know the treasure is?
I'm sorry, Hunter. I don't know where the treasure's at. You should ask the jellyfish.
Thank you. Hi, jellyfish. Hi, Mr. Jellyfish. You know the treasure is?
We don't know where the treasure is. Mr. Crab.
Thank you. I think I'm getting stuck in my way. You need to find the treasure. Hi, Mr. Krabs. You know what the treasure is?
I don't know where any treasure's at. You should go ask the Laura Key.
Thank you. Hi, Mr. Bird. Hi, Mr. Lord Key. You know what the treasure is?
Hi, Hunter. I heard that you're going on an adventure hunting for treasure. That sounds really exciting. I wish I could go. I'm sorry, though. I don't know where any treasure's at. Maybe you should ask the iguana.
Thank you. Yeah, look at this. Look at his tongue. I'm Mr. Iguana.
Hunter, shh. It looks like Mr. Iguana is sleeping. We'll have to come back later. Let's go ask Mr. Squirrel.
I'm Mr. Squirrel. You know what the treasure is?
I'm sorry, Hunter. I don't know where the treasure's at, but I did see a big X in the sand just off the beach.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Squirrel. Hunter, we're getting close. Let's check the map.
X marks the spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
What is that?
X marks the spot.
Dig. Wait first. Maybe you can start. You dig like, how does the dog dig? You know, how's a puppy dog dig? Go, show me. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. What in the world? That's awesome, buddy. You found the treasure. Yay! Great job, buddy. Awesome job.
They're cool.
Hunter, there's stormtroopers on these. These must be like Imperial coins. That's cool. Look at this one.
Look at these. Look at this. Look at this, dude.
There's like emeralds in here and diamonds.
Where's diamonds?
These are diamonds. The round diamonds and pearls.
Wow, that's cool. It's golden. Oh,
Hunter, what do you want to buy with all this treasure?
I want to buy some ice cream.
You want to buy some ice cream? That's a great idea. Let's go. Hey everyone, thanks for watching Little Hunter's World. We have a lot of fun and exciting videos coming out real soon, so be sure to subscribe. See you next time.